Hello friends, today we have a Wi-Fi router latest model MTN E5573. Today we will unlock it. Here you can see its software version now. We have to unlock it so that it supports all SIM cards in all countries. So now we are going to flash its software. It will take some time to flash it. Here you have to wait. Friends, our service is an online service. So if you want to unlock your router worldwide online remotely unlocking service, you can unlock it from us. Our service charges will be a little bit, your work will be done sitting at home. Remember friends, if you want to unlock it sitting at home, then you must have a laptop or computer and this computer must have internet, then we will also unlock your Wi-Fi router in the same way. So friends, you can see now that our Wi-Fi router has been unlocked and is now working on another network. The network lock problem it had has been solved and it has now been converted to the original Huawei software. You can see. I hope friends you liked our video. To watch more such videos or to learn such software work, you can subscribe to our channel. And connect with us. See you. See you next on some topic. Until then, please allow us. Goodbye.